Our epic road trip up north through California, eventually to Oregon, continues. In this part of the series, we are in Humboldt County, headed to Richardson Grove State Park to camp in the Redwoods. Come along with us so you can see all this natural beauty. There's a path that goes through the woods that you can take down through there to get to the party grounds and stuff. It's sketchy. I know that's the eel ripper down there.
Yeah.
Past visits. Stuff swam in the river. Yeah, Reggae on the River was all down. The camping was all through here and then down further as well. Here we go.
Richardson Grove State Park.
Yeah.
Okay.
So wherever the driveway is.
I'm looking for a driveway.
I'm looking too.
I'm looking for
I think that roof there might be part of the situation. No, because it's on this side. Oh, there's a sign. What does that say? Entrance 1,000 feet to the left.
forward at least.
Oh, that's true. But I remember crossing the highway, so hopefully my memory serves correctly. That's telling you that the end is coming from the left, right?
Yeah, there's a road coming that way.
There's the entrance. See the sign? All right. Got it. And if we come after Al, oh, maybe someone's still at the thing. Perfect. For $35, whopping $35, we get to stay in this paradise tonight, and we get to pick out our own site. First come, first serve. This is one you cannot reserve off season. First come, first serve. Only Richardson Grove State Park. At first second, I hear you have a dog. I was like, uh-oh, what's coming next? Oh, that's the Durfee Creek Trail's closed. Probably from storm damage. Oh, I didn't hear when checkout was. I'm sure it's on the back of this with all the 150 other things they have written down.
Other wonderful information.
Yes, that's what I mean. Cabins. Those cabins don't look like they're in use. You can see like burn scars on these trees. There's a bathroom. But just go ahead and go to camp first. I'm cool with it.
So any of these are, well,
Those are cabins.
they are
Yeah, somehow we're in the cabin area. That's why I wasn't sure if this was the right turn you took.
right up there. Well, I had to follow the arrows.
All right, we arrived to camp late again. As you can tell, it's definitely dusk, and we're in the Redwoods, so it's even darker. What does this say? Okay, it's in a locked vehicle. Sometimes even a locked vehicle isn't good because the bears break into cars. Anyway, let me come back to this. Instead of getting my full tablecloth out and sweeping off the table and all that, we just use placemats. These are placemats we've had forever, you know, Dollar Tree or whatever. We're utilizing the awesome cups my sister brought back from her Yellowstone trip. The asparagus came in this cool Ziploc bag, and our dog likes the harder parts of the asparagus that we don't like to eat. So there's a bag of treats for her. And let me show you dinner. We love our campsite. It's absolutely stunning. We're tailgating, even though we have no power in our campsite. We do because of our jackery. And right now, Bobby's cooking up some asparagus. And then we're gonna add the risotto, a mushroom risotto in there, and call it dinner. And then we'll just have one pan to clean, and then our 2 platters that we always eat on. And we got our bug candle, and everything's going good. That's why she's staring at me like that. Sit. Good girl, stay. Stay there. Stay. You stay. Stay. Good girl. A little out for you. Stay. Stay. Okay, go ahead. Good girl. She likes them because they're so crunchy. She really does love. She loves the like Brussels sprout stalks and all those like fibrous. I think she likes them on her teeth. Because we don't give her bones. She gets rawhide, and regular bones gives her like, not aggression, but she gets super protective over it and like growls. And so I guess for some animals, or it's an animal product, they can act that way too. Luckily for us, she likes veggies. Look at her. She's back. She wants more. No, you just get a little bit each day. You have several days worth here. You are the most precious little girl. And we got the citronella going because some skeeters were coming out. Uh-oh. That one went out. Sometimes you'll be lucky enough for a campground to have an outdoor sink for washing, so that's easier for us than using our tubs when it's available. We use our Thieves Essential Oil Cleaner from Young Living, which sterilizes as well. Scrub and rinse with water, basically. My BFF loves cows, so we bought her cow seeds to grow her own. Our pup listens intently as I read the planting instructions. We are feeling so blessed as we wake to this view outside our tiny trailer door. All 3 of us have enjoyed this beautiful campsite. Well, good morning. We forgot to say good night. Look at what's right outside our window. You can't even see the top. It's still early. It's like 7. The bathrooms were that close, which was really nice. I went at 4 in the morning in the dark by myself. It was a little scary, but I had to do it. It's so quiet here. And Bobby heard a tree fall, a huge tree fall, and roll down something in the middle of the night, and he never gets nervous. And he's like, oh my God! So I was nervous for a while. We still haven't seen where it fell or what it was. All right, we're gonna try to get an earlier start today. We have a lot to do. That's funny, they wanted that little pull through. They're just gonna come and go. So I put all my toiletries and even the clothes in this. So when I go to take the shower, everything stays dry. I'll stick my phone in this too. This takes tokens, so we gotta go get tokens. I smell breakfast. Hopefully Bobby's gonna make breakfast. If not, we'll do another meal on the road. This tree, when I came out of the bathroom in the dark, coming out from this side, I'll show you. It's pretty scary because you don't know what might be behind that. So So here's the shower for this back one. I gotta go out there and get tokens where they are. I was gonna show you guys, but I'm embarrassed. That ended up being embarrassing because I only had quarters. It doesn't take quarters, and he gave me change. So he gave me a bill so I could get these. This is gonna be interesting because you literally have like a minute or something. So let me get this dialed in. All right, it's been awkward, but that shower went on and on and on and on. I started getting in it when it was cold because I didn't know it was going to last, and it got hot, and I ended up turning it off. And they're trying to clean the bathroom, so they keep saying, are you done? Are you in there? Are you in there? And finally they gave up. So I brushed my teeth and just finishing up the rest. We're heading out. 9:16 in the morning. We want to get to Trees of Mystery. It's about 2.5 hours from here. We may stop along the way. I went to Trees of Mystery as a kid, and boy has it changed. They have like canopy walks and gondolas and all kinds of stuff. We're gonna do the basic one, even though dogs are allowed there, which is awesome. Too many people for our dog, so we gotta go quick. We don't like leaving her. Like 20 minutes. This is like our comfort zone. Wow, look at this one.
I know.
Look at this. Massive tree. Wow, it's just beautiful. They could make that into a one log house. Look at that.
They have.
That's incredible. I knew that was so close I would have posed by that.
Loser.
Yeah. That was weird. Really suspicious. Like they didn't like my camera. I didn't tape them. This camp guy's going around getting all the monies who didn't pay. Beautiful campsites through here, as you can see. So quiet, so peaceful. I'm telling you guys, October is September, late September, early October is the time to go. So nice and quiet. So we're going to continue up the 101 north.
An exhibit. Down yonder?
Down yonder there's an exhibit of some sort. Is it that one historic whatever she said? She said, oh, and the historic whatever, it's always a tree.
It's up there.
Look at this beauty. Hopefully you guys get a perspective of these freaking trees. Incredible. Hundreds, almost thousands of years old. Sequoias are thousands of years old, but these are mostly redwoods. There are some sequoias in here. Look at that little cluster up by that bathroom. This is so beautiful. And something about the shade that a redwood tree provides, I just don't, something about it.
Delicious.
Deliciousness. Oh, should have filmed that one. Let's see where they get hit by fire, but they can still make it. Sequoias need fire to even grow the new trees. All right, exit. We could have stayed here till noon and we would have been back in the day, but wow, that one's like undermined. But we want to get to the next stuff and get to the next camp. Tonight we're going to be camping in Crescent City. Lots of trails in here too. If we were camping longer, we would be doing all the things. And we might make spaghetti and vegan meatballs and Texas toast for dinner, we're thinking. And sandwiches with lots of lettuce for lunch. There's some fall colors for some leaves. Everything all right?
Just seeing which way he's gonna go.
There's the exhibit, other side of the exhibit. Creek bed, much water.
I remember coming underneath that.
I don't. I feel like we came off and went like this.
Oh, we did, huh?
That's what I think.
We certainly did.
It's a pretty bridge, though. We came over. That's what the bridges we've been coming over look like underneath some of them. I'll have you guys know before that, and that wasn't even getting lost. We have been on target with all of the spots. Smooth sailing. Redwood Highway. Gorgeous. Come along, the road trip continues. Trees of Mystery next.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just speak love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still know that I'm blessed.